Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to use VoiceThread to submit an assignment. Throughout this course, you will use VoiceThread to submit your persistence and problem-solving projects and your final project, Linear Algebra in the Wild. So let's get started in learning how to use this platform that is built into your OWL course page. Here is a project description page on OWL. At the bottom of this page, you will see a section titled How to Submit Your Assignment. To start, click on the link that says click here to make your VoiceThread. This will open a new page in your browser. You will see the VoiceThread homepage and a sidebar on the left. To start submitting your assignment, click on the button that says Create New VoiceThread. You'll be redirected to this page to add media or to drag and drop files. Clicking on the center button, you are given a list of options. You can either create your assignment directly on VoiceThread or choose My Computer to upload previously created files saved on your computer. If you want to create part of your submission on VoiceThread, you have the option to record your voice and take webcam photos and videos with this platform. This is what happens when you try to use the three bottom options on this list. Clicking on these, you can start recording your submission directly onto VoiceThread. This will start recording your voice, taking photos, or recording videos that will become a part of your submission. If, however, you want to upload some files that you've already created on your computer or tablet, click on My Computer at the top and start selecting the files that you want to include in your submission. You will go through your computer's directory and find the files that you want to submit. You can select typed documents, handwritten documents, videos, and audio recordings with this function. I'm going to upload some samples of possible items you can upload. You also have to make sure that you always upload the rubric for your assignment, as this has to be the last slide in any of your project submissions. Once it begins uploading, VoiceThread will ask you to enter the title and description of your submission. You can include a title and description of your choosing. You can always change this later, too. You will now see the thumbnails of your uploaded pages and media. The order in which you see the thumbnails is the order in which your VoiceThread will be played. First, make sure your rubric is at the end. You can click and drag this to the last slot of your submission. This is how you reorder your VoiceThread. Once you've ordered your media the way you want it to appear, you can click on the comment button and see what your submission will look like to the grader. Remember that your submission should not take longer than 6 minutes to go through from start to finish. Please make sure you go over your submission at least once before submitting it to make sure it is appearing exactly the way you want it to. So let's try this out with our sample submission. First, I have a typed document in my submission. You can go to the next slide by either clicking the right arrow key on your keyboard or using this right triangle that appears at the bottom right of the screen. For some slides, you might have to zoom in on your content. You can zoom by hovering your mouse over the slide, and then a zoom function appears on the right. Now, given a document or video, you can also add information to your submission using the comment function. Again, hovering over the slide, a comment button will appear in the center above the playback slider. You can type a comment to add to the slide using the ABC key, record your voice using the microphone, and you can even record a video of yourself as you annotate if it makes the information clear. You can also move through the various slides and continue your comments, bringing attention to any key parts using the pencil tool. Let's try this out. I'm going to create an audio recording as I move through my slides. It will start a countdown, and once it starts recording, there will be a recording indication on the bottom of the screen. As I move through my slides, I can emphasize the material I'm talking about by circling and pointing to things using the pencil tool. I do this by clicking and dragging my mouse and drawing right on the screen. Once you're finished, you can press stop recording and the comment will begin to upload. You have to press Save to save this comment, and you can play this back to make sure it is appearing the way you want it to. So for example, I can click on this comment on the left sidebar here, and it will start playing. If at any point you want to delete a comment, look at the left-hand side of the slide and hover over the comment you want to delete and click on the trash icon. You can also include handwritten submissions. So this is an example of a handwritten submission right here. And you can include images and graphics, and also videos. Use any media that better facilitates the communication of your ideas. If you want to go back to the page with the files, click on the 3 horizontal lines beside the title of your submission at the top left. Click on the Edit key, and you will be redirected back to the initial page. You can also import media from outside sources, such as a URL or other media sources, if you want to reference something. Have fun with it and tailor it to your exact liking. This is your project, and it should be made to feel that way. Once you are ready to submit, click on the blue button at the top that says Submit Assignment. And that's it! You have submitted your project on VoiceThread. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you enjoy creating your projects for this course.